Hello guys, this is Milan Magallanes. Welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And today we're gonna show you the power battery box. First, we're gonna put up our four-wheel camper. We need to remove the latch. It's 6 slots all together, and then we're gonna put it up. And today we're gonna show you my power and battery box on my Project M four-wheel camper. And the battery power box is connected to the solar. So solar is connected here, and then the power box is pre-wired going to your battery, so that when the car is running, it switches charging to the battery. When the car is off, it switches from charging from the battery. I'll switch to charge in the solar. So we have our solar panel and the roof. There's our solar panel. And it comes with 4 12-volt DC USB plug or outlet. We have 4, and then we have the 12-volt socket. If you want to plug your fridge, you'll be able to plug your fridge here, and we got the on and off switch button to power it up for the fridge. And the 2021 power battery box come with the 750 power inverter, and then you have 120 outlet. You got 2, and then 1 USB plug. And at the same time, this is the power and off button. So the power battery box come with a circuit breaker in case there's a shortage. The circuit breaker will shut up so that it doesn't drain your battery. And then the power box will be able to power your lights. You have 4 LED lights with a dimmable. And then it can power your exhaust fan. So you have 2 exhaust fan with rain sensor. So when it's raining, the cover will close it by itself if it sends rain. And then here, the inverter, power inverter, you'll be able to plug your laptop, your Nintendo Switch, rice cooker, etc. Whatever you want to plug. And this is our power box. It comes with the battery monitor display. We'll be able to tell you how much power do you have and how much power coming in. And the Project M comes with 4 window. And a king size bed. You'll be able to extend the bed, and it become a king size. And then you're just gonna put the cushion on the front, and then 4 here in the back. This is our privacy curtain. My wife picked it. It's a unicorn. So we'll just cover it here so that we have privacy. And then on the other side, we have the cat. And for this window, we have the fire truck. And this one is you don't have to hook it because it's with magnet and there's metal on this door, so you'll be able just to stick it like that. Or you can use the fire truck. When you bring it down, don't forget to put the bungee cord, because the bungee cord will help it to pull it inside. So take out that latch, click here, and then pull this one. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.